the best way to create ML projects is via iterations, okay? So let me tell you a concept that I learned from a book called The Lean Startup by Eric Rice. So imagine that you need to send 100 envelopes with your wedding invitation, okay? So you have two options. The first option is you take the card, the letter, and you write 100 letters to each person, right? Then you get the envelope and write the address of these 100 people. And then you take the letter, put it in the envelope 100 times, right? So this is the typical way people do machine learning, right? The better approach is this. You take one letter, you finish that letter, you take the envelope and you write the address of this one envelope, and you put the letter inside the envelope. Now, and then you repeat 100 times. Now, what is this better? Imagine that you do the 100, you write the 100 letters, you write the 100, the address in the 100 envelopes, and then when you're going to put the letter inside the envelope, it doesn't fit. That could happen, right? It doesn't fit. So you lost a huge amount of time. So in the other approach, in the approach of iteration, you have a finished product in the first 5 minutes. And then you can see if the finished product is viable, right? So that's the same idea applies to machine learning. It is better to create an end-to-end machine learning solution, like a very basic data prep, very basic machine learning modeling, and very basic deployment. And the moment you have that, you have a usable machine learning pipeline, and then you can iterate. I actually recommend that every time you go through this process, you do a release on your GitHub or a repository. So what you're going to do is you're going to have finished products, finished pipelines that you can improve, and you're going to improve. Like in the next iteration, maybe you improve the data prep. In the next iteration, maybe you try a different algorithm. In the next iteration, maybe you improve the deployment is a more sophisticated solution. So that's a very important advice. Again, create projects based on iterations, and you'll be successful.